Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you can already tell from the title of this video, I will be sharing with you guys 6 tips to help you survive nursing school. Nursing school is tough. I've been there. It's stressful. But you gotta believe in yourself and know you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So with that being said, let's get straight to it. My number 1 tip: do not be so fixated on getting all A's in nursing school. No, 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 no. It's going to stress you out. Nursing school is already stressful, so that's the last thing you need to be doing. Instead, focus on doing the best that you can. My number 2, create some type of planner. I don't care what you use. You can get fancy, feel free, but you got to create a planner. Within this planner, when they give you your syllabus, write down what topics going to be covered, you need to be covering, which chapter, when is your next exam coming up, keep an eye on your due dates, and keep abreast with your studying. Make sure you include dates for your tests, your quizzes, whatever, your assignments, your due dates. Make sure that's on that calendar, on that planner. What else I want to tell you guys about this one? Oh, also, if you are working while in nursing school, it will behoove you to put that on your calendar as well, so you could see it, what you're working with on that calendar. Whether it be AM shift, PM shift, put it on that calendar. What else I want to say about creating this planner? And that's my number 2, right? Yes. So number 3, my tip number 3 is lectures, guys. This is important. Take effective notes when you have class. Ask questions. Some people don't like asking questions during lecture. I was one of them. That's okay. So you know what I will do? I will go and see the instructor after class, and she will laugh at me. But she was super helpful, and she was, very approachable. So I will go see her. The next thing I also did in lecture was I recorded my lecture, because sometimes, guys, I was working while in nursing school. So I had to do what I had to do. I wasn't going to fail no class. Nope. I didn't work this hard to get kicked out to nursing school. So I did what I had to do. So I would record the lecture when I get home, as if I was going home after lecture. Because sometimes after lecture, I will have to go to work. And so when I get to work, I didn't really have that much time to even listen to the lecture. So then next day, I would listen to that lecture. So use whatever you can to really help you during the lecture. My 4th tip is resources, guys. Utilize all your resources. I used to go to the library when I had certain research assignments. The librarian gave me by the first and the last name. I didn't even care. I'm like, okay, that's fine. They're giving me the help I need. I would utilize YouTube when I needed help with certain body systems or certain concepts. So I would utilize YouTube. I will also utilize Simple Nursing on YouTube, Quizlet, the internet, Google, whatever I could have put my hands on that were very helpful to me. That's what I use as far as resources. So don't be afraid. If there was a question where I just needed maybe one-on-one or something, I will go to my instructor and she will help me. So that's resources that's the 4th tip, right? Okay, good. The 5th tip is study group, guys. Very important. Get yourself into a study group. Study group is super helpful. When we meet up to discuss what we're going to be studying for, as far as for an exam, for example, there were things topics that were discussed that I had no idea I needed to be studying. Vice versa, the same thing with myself. I will say something and they'll be like, oh, I didn't even know that. I'm like, yeah, we need to know this. So we all shared. And within our group, we each person, we make each other accountable. You know, if we discuss that, hey, we're going to meet up in the library at this particular time. This person might have said, hey, I have to work, so make sure you guys are here. This is what we're going to be studying, and, you know, we're going to be asking questions. We're going to give ourselves a quiz and so forth. If you're not there, you got a phone call, hey, where you at? Are we already here? So, and stuff like that. And if you're not able to make it, you let the group know. And, you know, I will get an email sometime, hey, Collette, we did this, and this is your responsibility. Make sure you finish this and shoot the email to, you know, whoever it is, so they all can get it. And so it was very helpful. There were even times where if we had when we took the exam, and after the examination, one person might say, Collette, you know, I had a question on this, and when I remember what you had said and I got it right. Or I may say, you know, Jones, when I saw this question, I remember what you had told me and I got it right. So it was super helpful. While I understand that some people like studying by themselves, and that's okay, I get it. But studying in a group gives you a whole different perspective. And it's super helpful. So use all your resources to your advantage. Number 6 is prioritizing your time. Nursing school is stressful, so it's important to prioritize your time. Finding time for yourself, finding time to study, whether you have kids, that too, or family matters, whatever is going on. So you have to prioritize your time. Write it down, do whatever you have to do, because it's important, it's going to help you. Nursing school will burn you out. I wanted to give up so many times. It was ridiculous. I will wake up, I will come home, say, Mom, I'm done. I quit. And she would be like, oh, you quit, oh, nursing school? I said, yeah, I'm not going back. And she would be like, okay, that's fine. I'll wake the next morning, take my shower, breakfast, so on and so forth, and I'm out. Got dressed and I'm out. And she'd be like, where are you going? I said, I got class at 10 o'clock. She's like, oh, okay. So it's super stressful. So you got to make sure you prioritize your time, guys. Very stressful. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys find it very interesting, informative, very helpful, very encouraging. If so, go ahead, click like, click share, comment down below. And also don't forget to click subscribe so that you can get to see all my new uploads. All right, guys. Bye. Your girl is out. Peace.